Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term OP. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, OP is a short way to say original poster, the person who started an online discussion thread. People use it when they want to refer to the first person who posted something online. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context, like overpowered in gaming. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. OP first showed up in internet forums in the 1990s. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among online communities and gamers. Now let's check out how to use OP in a sentence. Correct example 1. The OP explained their question clearly in the forum thread. Correct example 2. I think the OP's character is totally OP in that game. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said OP at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using OP right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap, OP's original poster or overpowered. It started in internet forums in the 1990s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in gaming. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with OP in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.